Player of the Year, sorry, on oh my god! Oh my god! We have just got fucking Hazard in a pack. Wow! Purple shirt, purple Hazard. And to prove, guys, this is not fake, we're gonna move round. We're gonna have a look around. We're gonna click him in. Oh!
God, oh, it's no, that is ridiculous. The chance of getting that must be so slim.
93 Suarez! I've just done it now! I've done it! 93 Suarez! Woo! Boys, I've been sat here, I'm in a Skype call with Nepenthes, and I've gone through 2.5 million coins, and I have, on this account, and I've just found, oh shit, do not discard it, do not discard it.
This is the moment of truth, guys. Look who you get. If you don't know about Deco by now, check out the 96 rated Lionel Messi, the Messiah, the beast from yesterday, scoring goals. He literally stood a piss out of Neuer and Boateng. Like, I'll try and find a screenshot of it, but there was a screenshot on Boateng's Wikipedia saying that he died yesterday because of what happened. This is a little joke. I'm not sure if it's Photoshop or whatever, but
Yes! Oh my freaking days! No! Jesus! Like, no! Oh, no! I'm having some of this. Just. What are you doing? Oh no! But yeah. Oh my days! How?